Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm pretty much going to be going over a lot of different types of bleach shirt that me and my daughter got up and did today on the 4th. We did a lot of different styles. Some we used rubber bands, we used tape, we used stencils, we splattered. We mixed it up with tape and splatter, and we just did a lot of stuff. The one that I have on right now is like one of my favorites. This one is the stencil, but as you can see, it just looks like a tuxedo. I love it. The last one that I did, y'all, I left it at the old house. Like, I left my shirt. It's just there, and I left it, so I had to do another one. But I'm going to show you guys a slideshow of all the things that we made, and then I'm going to get into how we made it. So please stay tuned, and I will see you guys soon. Oh, really quickly before I forget, at the end I did not show what we did after we bleached it. After we bleached it, we rinsed them out with just water until it was clear, and then after we did that, we washed them and then threw them in the dryer, and I got it on. Okay. Alright, so these two shirts right here are going to be done with the rubber band method. The yellow t-shirt I just got from Dollar Tree, nothing fancy. As you can see, I got my bleach over there. So we're going to go ahead and apply the rubber bands. And this is pretty much what it will look like once you're done putting the rubber bands on. My daughter is still over here adding on her rubber bands. And remember, the rubber bands is going to block or stop the bleach. So, you know, put that in the area. Well, it don't matter. I just randomly put it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and dip this down in the bleach. And I'll probably leave it down in the bleach for about a good 5 minutes before I go ahead and take it out. Alright, this is another Dollar Tree shirt that I got, and I'm just going to use the tape method when I bleach this one. Just with a regular roll of tape, nothing fancy, and then I'm going to dip it down into the bleach. As you see, I still got my yellow t-shirt over there. My daughter is still doing her hoodie, so that's what we got going on. Alright, so we have the tape down on our pants and our shirt. As you can see, that's just the pattern that I went with. And then over here, I'm just going to randomly splatter these. This one I have a stencil, like a little tuxedo stencil. I think that's so cute. Alright, I'll come back on and show you guys what it looked like.